Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Kathan berni baro ka weila tip haka kum ka sor bajabo tam kal er hapo ka perthei. Kayung darbar thau an jung ka jela ka sngo khya bha halor ka ne wat ki khot ka yeng kila pelong ka jing yatai ha ka mang tingka. Menteri Rangba ka jela konrat ki sangma uno senyang ban penkhut lingba ka jing penher shiti CM ka Assam banwanra ka joint action plan haba pensngo hayeng darbar mang tingka ka bakhatdu. Menteri Rangba ukno deki kharkhana na ka industrial area jung ka sarkar Assam ki dauba jung ka jingkala ka Byrnihat kum ka sor bajabo tam kal er hapo perthei. Lingba kaswo moto statement hapo ka yung darbar thau an laong bakat kum ka jingkhen jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board MSPCB ka jingpen mitrem jong ki kharkhana na ka industrial estate ka jila ki day ki badang hapo upot ubabiang ni ka badang biang. Konrad uong on sawanra da ka joint action plan hapreng ka Meghalaya bat Assam banne AA halor ka jingjabo jongkal air Byrnihat shushu ula deptho shiti shu Menteri Rangba ka Assam uhimanta Biswa Sarma halor ka ni ka kam. Watla ka Meghalaya kala syapan pau marwe ha ka kaipon Menteri Tangba ulaong Bagidon ki jing snokya na baro aliang khaput bat kaneka kam kari ka bahab banne AA da baro artli ki jilla haba binram bagila don ki an ban pintikna baki jilla ken hab trailang banne AA yakum gini ki kam habasot iki khubor be day barka Air World Air Quality Report 2024 ba ong baka Byrnihat haba thau ya ka PM 2.5 kalakot ya ka 128.2 microgram per cubic meter UG M3 ukonrad ula ongkat kum ki jingkhen bala penmi na ki Southly ki manual ambient air quality monitoring station jaka MSPCB kadon hasor Byrnihat ka jingpenmi ya ka PM 2.5 jong usnem arhajar arpsau kalong sanpo 0.1 microgram per cubic meter UG M3 nalor kata kat kum ka jingkhen ka MSPCB nadu ukalalingkot hadu ulber tayo baningkong arhajar arpsan ka air quality index AQI jong ka Byrnihat asyam bakadang biang satisfactory ula benram ukonrat ula pentip ya ka ying darbar baka MSPCP kala pelong ya ki jing jurip bakensan kensan ni ki kharkhana ha EPIP bat khatlai mer ha ka arpsau arpnyo bat lifeway trik kalalingkot arhajar arpsan bat santrik urimphang arhajar arpsan namar kata ka MSPCP kalapha notice ban khangdam ya ki nyotli ki kharkhana ban pengat haka kuna ban siu bai penjabo maryang ya ki artli ki kharkhana ukonrat uyathu bahadien ga jing khangdam ya ki ni ki nyotli ki kharkhana ha Byrnihat Meghalaya nadu ka arp khandai trik kalalingkot hadu khatwei trik leber arhajar arpsan lalapat ba ka AQI bala penmi naga continuous ambient air quality monitoring system CAAQMS bala penyang ha ka Central Academy for State Forest Service CASFOA Byrnihat Assam kadang penpau ba ka AQI kalong ka bajabo bha ki babun kisngi kani ka pen i ba ka telong ka babun jong ka jingjabo kala air la ban keno iki kharkhana bat ki wiki kam shishiliang jong ka Assam ulaang
pointed out that the AQI generated from the Continuous Ambient Academy for State Forest Service, Byrnihat, Assam, still reflected the AQI as poor or very poor during most of the days. This indicates that the major source of air pollution may be attributed to industries and other activities along the Assam side. Sir, the Byrnihat industrial area in Assam that runs along Byrnihat town of Meghalaya has been designated as a critically polluted area by the Central Pollution Control Board, Delhi. In fact, it is to be pointed out that there are 20 red category industries in Byrnihat, Assam, as compared to 5 red category industries in Byrnihat, Meghalaya. As per direction of the Honorable NGT and CPCB, the Assam PCB has prepared an action plan and adequate measures are being taken to restore and improve the environmental quality of Byrnihat area of Assam. So the MSPCB has engaged the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, National Environmental, Kolkata, for conducting emission inventory and source appointment study of Byrnihat. Emission inventory is for identifying the source of pollutants and quantitatively expressing their pollution load in a defined area at a particular time, while source apportionment is primarily based on measurements and tracking down the sources through receptor modeling. Sir, I also would like to add that recently I have written a letter which I had mentioned earlier also to this August House, to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, flagging this very, very critical and important issue and requesting that a joint action plan be made in consultation with experts and the different officials from both sides, as Byrnihat being a border town where both sides are having industrial units of different categories, as mentioned in my statement that I have made. Sir, let me assure, especially the citizens of Byrnihat area, on both sides, whether it's Assam or Meghalaya, that we are concerned about this particular issue and to ensure that this issue is resolved or minimized to the maximum level. The health and the overall environment of that area is a very, very important concern for the government, as well as our Honorable MLA who is present out here, who has met me on multiple occasions to ensure that this issue was addressed. Therefore, sir, let me assure the House that a joint action plan will be developed once we are able to meet Assam and Meghalaya and work on this. The reason I wanted to give this statement was to just give a clarity that though the tag of Meghalaya is being put on this, there are concerns on both sides of the border, and hence it is an issue that has to be addressed by both the states together. There are enough provisions in different acts and different laws which will be implemented to ensure that both the states and the different departments and officials will work together to ensure that we are able to address this issue. With these few words and with this statement, sir, I resume my seat. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.